My experience working with video power marketing has been like a breath of fresh air. From the moment that we had our first meeting with the team, it was clear that we were working with individuals who knew and understood our goals, but also understood how to help us get there. And then in addition to the expertise I'm from Texas, so you all, even though you're from Utah, have like this Southern hospitality where it just felt like I could show up my authentic self. I already was excited about our work just from our interactions, from our creative calls and things of that nature, but I will say meeting the team in person is everything. Like, it's magical to see these different personalities and everyone showing up in their strengths and seeing how each member of the team is really invested in our success. And one last thing I'll say about that too is in working with creatives, sometimes creatives can be more committed to their vision than they can of capturing the vision of their clients. And, we came in and I feel like at each point, video power marketing was always receptive. One, explaining why you came up with the creative and why you thought it would help us achieve our goals, but also on a dime willing to propose a different creative. And I always felt like our brand has always been at the heart of the work that we're doing. I am so elated that I feel like it was just divine that Video Power Marketing's name came across my desk at the right time. And honestly, I wish I had known about you all much sooner.